Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Princess Merida from Disney Brave in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this face and you're going to go to the hairstyle selection and choose this curly hair. Then you're going to color it orange. Okay, this is for the color code. You can use it to create this hair for Princess Merida. And then we're going to go to the culture clothing area. It's right here. And then I'm going to wear, wait, let me enter this room. Okay, we're going to wear this dress. And then we're going to color it with this color. Okay, this is for the color code, and for the next one, you're going to color it orange. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to wear this top and color it with the same color. This one and this one. And for the third selection, you're going to color it with this orange color. And for the fourth selection, color it all the same with the first selection, and also for the last selection. Okay, the next one, I'm going to put shoe. Okay, I'm going to go to this area and wear this heel. And then if you have VIP, you can use arrow from the Valentine updates. Okay, you can choose this one, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to dress like Princess Merida in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.